celebration, celebrate.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Magnus.Magneto from Now or Never crew. Thanks so much for tuning in today. It was funny, I was thinking today that like my creative process right now is just like crazy. Like I'm creating so much because of this daily uploading and because of TikTok and other forms as well. And I realized that I really can't doubt the process if I'm too busy creating it. And that was kind of something that really resonated with me, which is why you can see I put my money where my mouth is, baby. It's on my wall. And yes, that's permanent Sharpie. Yes, it's not going out unless I paint over it. Yes, this is my house. Yes, I own it. Yes, I can do what I want with it. Cool? Okay, good talk. As you can see, I've got my crew set up because I thought maybe it was getting a little bit lonely with just me teaching. So I thought they could kind of be my hype men and women. And of course, superheroes. And anyways, get to the reason you're here. 5 unique ways to get out of BabyFreeze. Let's go. Alright, y'all, I gotta like first adjust this. If anyone's done a headstand for like as long as I did, like 23 minutes, you'll know that doing a headstand for a long time is painful. So I think it's only relevant that I treat them the way I'd want to be treated, you know? Because what if they come alive in Toy Story Us 2020? Anything's possible at this point. Okay, so first one, let's do I forget the variation names, so we're just gonna do this one. Okay, so you go here, BabyFreeze, and then you're gonna drop your front leg, this guy right here, off, and then you're gonna pull up like this. You have to make sure you get to there. Once you get through there, you're gonna pull your foot through your arm without moving your hand, okay, like this. Then you come up and you rotate. Both legs are like that, okay? So you're gonna go from here, baby, push up, hold. Once you get through to here, then you rotate, okay? So if that's too hard for you, you can literally just do like into here. You could do a thread, right? There's so many things you can do from this position. So if that's too hard, don't just give up on the move, just change it. You don't have to do this version. That's just the one that I decided to do, okay? So again, baby, make sure you tuck your knees to your stomach here so you can hold. Then you go through, you can catch here if you want, and then up. Okay, so one time, let's try a little bit quicker this time. Going, baby, thread, hit. I have like no energy now, but I did it once in the beginning, so that's all that matters, right? No, we gotta do it, be strong, one more time. Let's go, boy. Okay, so that's number one. Second one, we're gonna do the cradle one right now. So basically this is similar concept. Tucking your knees to your stomach. Rather than explaining it, well, I'm gonna just do it. So baby, you're gonna drop that leg, front leg, here, like this. Then once you're there, you literally just cross your legs and pull through. I think doing it from the back would be more helpful for you guys. So here, drop, cross, pull, tops of your knees like this, or tops of your feet, I mean, and then you pull through, okay? So go from the side angle this time, here. You're gonna go cross, pull, and see, when I do it slowly, I get stuck. So I'd recommend doing it a little bit quicker. Out, okay? From here, you could literally go here, you could go push up, you could do a little bit of a kick up motion. I like to do my little cross, recross here. So I go boom, then I recross, pull through, slide. So I'll show you that once if you want. It is more of kind of my movement, but you're welcome to try it and flip it and do whatever you want with it if you want. I don't care. So again, baby, going cradle, pull through, up. Once you get to here, I recross, pull through, push on my stomach like this. Then I roll up, knees to my stomach, pump, whip, coin drop out of it. Yeah? So from here, going baby, again, high knee, pull through, kick, uncross, recross, slide, coin drop up. So to coin drop up, you literally just have to get to that shoulder and pump and use your arms like a normal coin drop is. Yeah? One more time. Going, baby, boom, boom, slide, out. Don't wear baggy clothes, bro. It's a trick. Bro, you might slide your skin rather than your stomach. All right, Next one. Third one, let's do a threading one. One of my favorite ones that I just made up. We're gonna go head like this. Then you come out of it. Actually, again, I should rotate. So you're going here. Your back leg, this guy right here. Hello. You're gonna sit down on it like this. Boom. Okay? It's gonna do a reverse coffee grinder sweep underneath your bum. Then it's gonna connect to this arm right here. You're gonna grab it. Then the way I do it is thread it. And then I actually use this leg to pull yourself through this arm, because then it has that kind of trippy, weird direction change effect. I go through, I bring myself low so I can get through my arm. Once I get through my arm, I give myself a little bit of a rotation so I get back to front, and then I do my little pendulum, boom, boom, over top. You can go through anything you want if you really want, or you can just cross in like this and pose, yeah? So let's go again. Going, baby, this leg, do a little bit of a sweep to get it under. So circling it backwards, circle like that, grab, thread, unthread, under, hit, boom, pop. Yeah, cool. Let's go a little bit quicker. Going here, under, thread, unthread, boom, boom, hit. Next one, let's do the thesis. This is inspired off the thesis for obvious reasons. He does a lot of that kind of rotation stuff. I think he was kind of the first one to really do the popping style rotation, but with breaking. So this is kind of inspired off of him. So we're going, and by kind of I mean it is, baby freeze. Then I go knees in, kick to get myself up to here, push on. Then once I get to here, I go from here, sharp, other side. Then I use that arm to connect to my leg, and then push out of it, just like that. Again, baby, freeze, straight, knees in, kick, push off your back arm to get yourself up, rotate, come out of it, yeah? One more time, quicker, going, baby, boom, hit, out. Last one, stripping, because your boy is actually sweating for once. I know, it's like I'm actually trying to put in work in these videos instead of just being lazy about it. It's a crazy world, guys. Magnus not being lazy, like, who's used to that? Not me. So for this one, you're gonna start on your opposite baby freeze. So I like to start on my weak side. So my weak stab to my good stab. So I start on my weak stab, then I go icy, catch. Once I've caught right here, I kick this leg down. Then I go to the tops of my toes, like this, or technically like this. Then once I get to the top of my toes, I push this leg under. And then once it goes under, I sweep the circle in, boom to here, okay? So, going again. Baby, icy catch, sweep, both legs come together, and then right here, push through, and connect, okay? So the biggest things for this one is make sure that you're doing a half circle on this part to go under, or else it won't look nice, okay? So again, you can just try that if you want one time. Go from here, top your toes, okay, yeah? So you can definitely do more rotations if you want with that. Just the 180 rotation is the most consistent that I can hit, so that's why I'm doing it. Again, from baby. Baby freeze. Boom, just like that, you see? So if you want to face it one direction like I am, then just don't really circle. Instead, use this circle with your knees, but don't actually move your feet. So when I'm here, I line up this foot here, this leg comes in, then I do this circle, but on the spot to get myself in, which is what makes that feeling look so trippy and cool, all right? Last time, because I'm feeling it. Ready? Boom. Hit. I think I'm out of frame, but you guys get the point. All right, everybody, I think that's 5. So I know how hard it can be and challenging to create exits and entrances for your freezes. So I want to kind of start playing with making some variations for you guys and some exits and entrances. Just kind of give you guys ideas of ways you can create different ones. If you guys would like more concepts on this and or just more tutorials like this, comment down below, let me know. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, smash bell button for more videos. Thanks so much for watching.
Love is love.